Hi there! So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the mind-body problem today. So the mind-body problem is a dual aspectism thing that the mind and the body are two aspects of the same thing. So the mind and the body are believed by Spinoza that they're inseparable. So it means that you are combining the psychology with the physiology. So Spinoza also believed that free will is an illusion and everything that is determined by God. And this is not the same idea as a lot of rationalists. Um, Leibniz has a different view on the mind-body problem, and he believes that something material, such as like the body, which is something that's physical, cannot influence something non-material, which is the mind. He believes that there's something called psychophysical parallelism, which is where the monads, which is like the souls, is in the mind, are a parallel of those in the body. He also believes that the monads never influence each other because of the pre-established harmony. And pre-established harmony is when God created everything, it was established in harmony. And so this is when the new monads are created. He also states that there are necessary truths in which we are certain of some things without certain concrete evidence. So an example of this is like math, or just kind of like how we know some things, but we don't have an exact reason why we know these things. So with the mind-body problem, there are two separate types of reality, and the bodies, which are the solid material entities, which are like an observable thing, and they're capable of causing things to happen. And then there's the mind, on the other hand, which has no physical properties and that like extend into the physical world, and it's not something that's observable. So some examples of the mind-body problem is feelings of sadness, which are a mental event, but it can cause somebody to cry, which is a physical state. Another example would be finding a joke funny, which is a mental event, but it also causes somebody to laugh, which is a bodily state. And the last example I have is a feeling of pain, which is in the mind, but it causes avoidance behaviors, which is in the body. So yeah, that's a little bit about the mind-body problem.